Hello, my name is Sophie Kelly. I plan to become an elementary school teacher, and through the following slides, I will describe my vision statement as it applies to what being culturally aware might reflect. Every student has their own individual needs. Creating a learning environment that meets these needs are very important. As a future childhood educator, it is my duty to create a proper learning environment that respects each student's individuality, as well as collaboration among other students. Creating a learning environment that welcomes all individuals allows students to learn the fullest potential. Honoring each individual's diversity and cultural background helps students develop a sense of pride, as well as learn about other cultures of their peers. Celebrating individuality helps students learn to be proud of who they are. Incorporating multicultural curriculums throughout the subjects helps create a classroom environment that celebrates diversity and also inclusion of those various cultures. This can help students become more engaged, resulting in an abundance of knowledge in their academic success. All right, places and spaces, material culture. I will acknowledge that there will be families and children of all different backgrounds, socioeconomically, culturally, and developmentally, who will walk through our school doors every day. All of our families and children deserve a school that is welcoming and safe, along with classrooms that are developmentally appropriate and give all students an equitable education. The achievement gap and cultural bias. With a persistent achievement gap at hand, it is important to take action to help diminish that gap. The assumption that the achievement gap between white students and African American students is primarily due to the factors unrelated to the quality of the quality of schooling that children receive. Offering all students a high-track curriculum can help student achievement rise. The opportunity will help close that achievement gap. Culture as a disability and cultural conflicts. In order to address cultural conflicts in my future classroom, I must create a curriculum that respects and honors diversity, as well as differences in cultural backgrounds and experiences of all students. By creating a learning environment with multiple perspectives on different cultures, it shows our students that it's okay to be different, that all perspectives do matter. This is our teaching. Wow, I cannot talk. This teaches our students about different cultures, which in turn benefits the classroom, in my classroom. Pop culture and rituals. As a future educator, I believe that it is important to implement classroom rituals, but it should be constantly reevaluated to assure educational value is implemented in the classroom. Classroom rituals should enforce content knowledge while assisting in the development of positive character traits as well. Culturally responsive teaching. Coming into the education industry, it is important to me to be able to incorporate multicultural curriculum in various subjects in order to create a diverse classroom and encourage a diverse school culture that celebrates inclusion and diversity. To include diversity, an ethnic studies program can be added to students to engage and learn more about different cultures. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have enjoyed learning how my vision statement applies to what being cultural aware might look like for an up-and-coming elementary school teacher. Thank you.